Hello YouTube, it's a Friday. Pretty good mood today. Number one is payday. Number two is Friday. Did I mention it's Friday? Today is Friday. So therefore, good mood day. Tonight is the first night of the Shy Diesel extravaganza crap. Going to be all sorts of idiots roasting their tires, laying smoke, being jackasses, and I decide to ride the bike through it. I'll be lucky if I don't get ran over. You know, I got a diesel. I love diesels. But, yeah, that's just not something I care to go to. There's just so many issues there. There's so many cops, underage drinking everywhere. Just, too much drama for me. And besides, I can't afford to go there. It's like $35, I think, just to get in the door. Yeah, there's a lot of other things I could do with $35. That's like 5 gas tanks of gas for the bike. A lot more enjoyment out of 5 gas tanks of gas. And you can see all the smoke, kinda. Camera may not pick it up. There's a lot of smoke coming over there.